Tandaan, higit pa sa kita, ang tunay na diwa ng negosyo ay ang positibong epekto nito sa lipunan. Kaya sa nalalapit na pagdiriwang ng World Cleanup Day, let's be part of the movement. Magandang araw mga kanegosyo! Welcome to another episode of Startup
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan. Sa show na ito, hatid namin ang mga practical, doable at budget-friendly na business ideas para sa inyo.
Absolutely right! And in today's episode, in celebration of the coming World Cleanup Day, our topic is eco-friendly businesses that you can begin even with small capital.
Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng business na may impact at malasakit sa environment, stay tuned and we promise you a worthwhile business conversation.
My first idea to share is upcycled craft business. Sa negosyong ito, ang mga lumang tela, plastic wrappers, and even worn-out jeans ay pwedeng gawing bags, wallet, and even home decor. Amazing, right? Parang may second life yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo wala nang gamit.
Oo nga eh, ang daming trash na pwedeng gawing art. Meron pa nga ako nakitang lampshade na gawa sa plastic utensil na sobrang ganda. Pero ang tanong, may market ba ang ganitong mga produkto?
Oo naman, lalo na sa ating mga Gen Z at sa ibang millennials. We all love sustainable and handmade products. Kaya basta maayos ang branding mo and you're able to tell a compelling story behind each item, may emotional connection and appeal agad ang mga ito.
Ang suggestion ko naman ay refill station for household essentials. Sa dami ng tao nagiging environmentally aware these days, dumadami na rin ang mga conscious sa mga single-use plastics, kaya nakatutulong ang mga refill business for products like dishwashing liquids, shampoo, conditioner, at marami pang iba.
The only challenge there, I think, is how to convince people to bring their own containers. Kasi baka isipin ng iba, hassle.
Good point to consider. Pero may solusyon naman dyan. Gawin mong convenient for the customers. Maybe provide a pickup services or loyalty rewards para mas maiengganyo sila to go to the store. Maliit na cost lang naman ito. Kasi nga, wala ka ng problema sa packaging expense.
Very nice! Less waste kay Mother Earth, less gastos for the customers and business owners, at may kita pa.
Another good idea rin ang compost kit selling. Kung may access ka sa coconut husks, dried leaves, or kitchen scraps, pwede kang gumawa ng compost kit para sa mga plantitos and plantitas around.
Timely concept. Uso pa naman ngayon ang urban gardening. Kaso lang, hindi naman lahat marunong mag-compost, diba?
That is actually another opportunity for the entrepreneurs to make the business appealing to the market. Kasi pwede niyang i-bundle ang kit with a short guide or even online tutorials.
Oo nga no, education will be part of the business. A good value-added service that will enable you to empower people to reduce food waste.
Last idea to share, bike courier service.
Oh, I think I know what you mean. People can use their bicycles to start a delivery service business within their community.
Naisip mo rin yun?
Yes, because we're talking about eco-friendly businesses. There are just too many cars and motorcycles out there, and they're a major source of pollution. And with bikes, no need for gasoline, kaya no harmful emissions.
Sobrang gandang idea talaga nito. Pwede ka pa makipag-partner sa mga tindahan na walang sariling delivery service. And because this is green and environmentally friendly, appealing ito to eco-conscious customers. Exercise pa to sa'yo. Isipin mo, you get to earn, you're one step closer to being fit, and you help Mother Earth.
And that wraps up our list of eco-friendly business ideas. We hope at least one idea lit a fire in you to start something meaningful. The planet needs more change makers like you.
Sa aming mga manonood, tandaan, higit pa sa kita, ang tunay na diwa ng negosyo ay ang positibong epekto nito sa lipunan. Kaya sa nalalapit na pagdiriwang ng World Cleanup Day, let's be part of the movement.
Alam namin na may mga idea pa kayo na hindi pa namin nababanggit. Kaya share nyo na rin sa comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and follow our page for more negosyo tips. This has been Hannah
and Brian. Hanggang sa susunod mga kanegosyo, ito ang Startup
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Bye! very nice.
That is actually.